Good day, everyone. Today's Tuesday, October 13th, day B in your schedule. I'm Emma Haynes.
And I'm Alyssa Hodjan. Today's birthday wishes go to Christian Barba, David Holt, Zion and George, Addison Orth, Ethan Straight, and Caden Tricky. Tomorrow's birthday wishes go to Zachary Osbar and Demetrius Weeks. Happy birthday, everyone.
Anyone interested in joining FBLA, please email Mrs. Johnston or Mrs. Martin, or stop by and let them know. They are planning the first meeting for October 28th over Teams.
The bowling club will be hosting a virtual meeting soon. Please see Mrs. Taylor in room CR 245 to add your name and email address if you are interested. Bowling will be starting on Thursday, October 15th, and the cost is $3 per week bowled.
He's back. Here's season 2 of Cooking with Mike.
Welcome back to Cooking with Mike. Today we're going to be making a salami melt. First you're going to need a pan, some butter, some bread, some salami, cheeses of your choice depending on what you like, some olives, and a toothpick. Next you're going to want to turn on the burners and heat up your pan. I have a small skillet here. We're going to be cooking an egg in that today. You're just going to fry it sunny side up. And you're just going to continue to fry it until it's cooked completely, and then you're just going to make sure it stays warm until you put it on your sandwich. Next, you need to toast the bread and put the cheese on it and let it melt together so it gets nice and toasty. Next, all you need to do is assemble your sandwich with the salami, cheese, and egg, and put a olive with a toothpick through it. That's it. Thanks for watching.
Hawaiian Bros has been a huge hit in the area. Here's Jessie with a review of their food.
We just went to Hawaiian Bros, and so we're gonna rate the food that we got.
Right, I got the Honolulu chicken, and it had the white rice and the mac and cheese with it. I give it a solid
Out of 10.
like a 9.5 out of 10, only because I wasn't expecting the mac and cheese to be cold.
Okay, so I got the luau pig, and it came, which is pork. And it came with the white rice and mac and cheese, and I'm just gonna give it a 10 out of 10. It was great. I loved it. Gonna come here again all the time.
Okay,
And then we got Dole Whip, and that's a solid 100 out of 10.
it's so good.
The atmosphere inside the place,
So cool. They literally have like
Yeah.
surfboards as tables.
it's so cute. Atmosphere was definitely 10 out of 10 for me. I liked it.
It was nice.
It was chill in there.
I feel like I could come here and like everybody would be like, "What's up?"
Just like get some food, do your homework.
If I become like a regular and they just know.
Yeah, they're just gonna know my name now.
Here's Maddie and Mallory with some fun fall festivities.
Even though we are going through a pandemic, here are some safe ways to still have fun this fall.
Football is always a fan favorite and an easy way to stay safe. You can simply watch Staley's online live stream, or you could be one of the lucky people that are invited.
Another fun thing to do is go to the pumpkin patch. You can jump hay bales, pick pumpkins, or buy things from the shops.
We can't forget the best part of fall, the food. Some quick and easy fall fixes are the classic pumpkin spice lattes and the Halloween Pillsbury cookies.
Remember to stay safe this fall and wear your mask.
Signing off for STTV News
This has been Mallory.
and Maddie.
Well, that's all we have for you today, Staley. Make sure to check us out on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, and visit us online at StaleyNews.com.
And don't forget to check out our YouTube channel for daily shows and more.
Have a totally tubular Tuesday, everyone.